Welcome back again. Now, as a physics student, any exam that you want to take, and that exam does not have theory question, notice that this question is going to come out there. It is gotten from linear momentum. It may not be this particular question exactly, but question from linear momentum must be there. Now, pay attention if you're a post UTME student. Now, it says a ball of mass 0.5 kilogram moving at 10 meters per second, that is the velocity, collide with another ball of equal mass at rest. If the two balls move off together after the impact, calculate the common velocity. Now, let's do that. We start from a ball of mass. This is a ball of mass 0.5 kilogram moving with a velocity. So this ball is moving. This is how you draw, but you should know this. You're not supposed to do all of this just because I'm lecturing. I want to show you how it is. Moving with a velocity of 10 meters per second. Now, this ball collides with another ball at rest. It collides with another ball with the same mass, equal mass. So this other ball has equal mass of 0.5 kilogram. I need to put here. This ball is at rest, it's not moving. Now, what they say is that if the two balls move off together after impact, calculate the common velocity. Now, when this ball is moving, it's going to hit this ball, and this ball that is at rest, both of them will now start moving with a common velocity. So this now is going to result to this drawing over here. The two ball now is going to start moving. Have you seen the arrow touch? It's going to start moving with a common velocity. Remember, they have the same mass 0.5, 0.5. So what is this common velocity that they are moving with? Now, the thing here is that the momentum before impact must be equal to the momentum after impact. Now, if you look at this one, if you want to calculate the momentum that this one is moving with, it's going to be mu plus, that's the mass times the velocity, initial velocity. If you want to calculate this one, it's going to be what? It's going to be mu also. Now, it is going to be equals to, because they are not moving together here, but now they start moving with an equal velocity. It means that the velocity is not going to change here. So what I'm going to do, instead of putting MOV plus MOV, since their velocity must be the same thing, that is why we call it common velocity, because as they are not moving here, they start moving together. The ball is now touching this other one, they start moving with a common velocity. This V and V, which is final velocity, must be equal. And if it is equal, we are now going to factorize out V. When we factorize out V, we are going to have that V is out, and we have MO1 plus MO2. That is how we got to this formula. Now, this is the common velocity we are looking for here. Now, again, you remember that this ball is in motion and this ball is at rest. Hence, this initial velocity here is 0. And because this initial velocity here is 0, it means that mu times anything this mass is times this 0 is still going to give us 0. Hence, in this case, we are going to eliminate this one to have only this mu equals to v bracket mu1 plus mu2. Now, I'm looking for the common velocity. What am I going to do? I'm going to divide both sides by mu1, mu2. So I want to do that over here. I have V now is equals to, since this is here, MOE, once I divide by MO1 plus MO2 at the both sides, this will cancel, the leaving with all over MO1 plus MO2. Now, this is the formula we are going to apply. So what is the MO1 and VO1? This is what? 0.5 mass times velocity going to give us equals to 0.5 times 10 all over. In this case, I have MO1 plus MO2. So the masses are equal. I will say MO1 plus MO2, which is 0.5 plus 0.5. This is going to give us equals to. Now, 0.5 times 10. 0.5 means half. Once you use 1 and divide by 2, you're going to get 0.5. So this is equals to this. It means that this is 0.5 means half of 10, which is going to give us what? 5 all over. Now, 0.5 plus 0.5. Remember I said that it is half. So half plus half is going to give us what? 1. Half plus half is going to give us what? 1. Now, 5 over 1 is what? 5. And what are we looking for? Velocity. So it's going to be meter per second, sorry. meter per second. Now that is it. That is our velocity, common velocity. Now don't forget to click notification bell. I'm going to be showing you other passages of this. Let me say if the two we are moving and they collide and they start moving with common velocity after collision, what is going to happen? It means that I'm not going to use this one as zero again. I'm also going to include it. So on that video, I'm going to make a video for that. And don't forget to hit notification bell so I'm able to notify. I have other post UTME videos I've done on mathematics. And if you want to join my online class, the online class is free. Please, my online class is free. WhatsApp me on 081 This is my WhatsApp line. Or if you're in another country, consider WhatsApping +234. That's where you're going to get me. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Comment on the comment section. Bye bye.